Okay, let me go with the problem number 3. Okay, this is asked in 2020 Sainik School entrance examination. Let me start with this. Right, Leela reads 25 pages of book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2/5 of the same book. Who read less and by how much? So we are supposed to find the two answers. Right, one is what? Right, one is what we need to do. One, we are supposed to who read less, right? First thing is, and second thing is by how much. Right, let us go with this. Leela, how much she read? Leela read 25 pages. Okay, now it's a simplification problem. Now Lalita, let us check out with Lalita's number of pages. Right, how many pages she read here? 2/5 of 100, that is into 100. You need to write this like this. So now check out this. 5 1s are 5, 2s are 0, 5 20s are, right? So now 2 into 20, which is going to be 40. Now Lalita read how many pages? 40 pages. Now the question is who read less? So Leela read less. Leela, how many pages she read? 25. Lalita 40 pages. So that's what, this is what the case is. That's what Leela here is also there, here is also there. Now the next question, what is that? By how much? So subtract this and this, find the difference of it. That is 40 minus 25, which is going to be 15 pages we got. So Leela read 15 pages less than Lalita. So that's what the answer is, Leela and 15 pages. This is the A. A is the answer.